Hello, everyone. The red nucleus is red because of its richness in blood. Bipolar neurons are commonly found in special senses, which is none of the above, which is not structural features of the body of the neuron. It would be the synaptic cleft. Page 2. The right optic tract because they have lost vision on both eyes. What limits the speed of a neural transmission is synaptic delay. How neurons are classified by the number of processes. Number of dendrites could mean multipolar. In the week 3 embryo, the surface endoderm forms the neural plate. That is false. In order for sound to reach the spider corti, the auditory muscles must vibrate and set the round window. That is false because it's the oval window. Okay, neutral is 7. pH greater than 7 is alkaline. pH less than 7 is acidic. Both solutions are equal to one another. By sodium carbonate was added, so this means that it's going to become more alkaline and the pH would be greater. How many ATPs are generated in glycolysis? AP2 ATP is generated. Press me up, but press me. Excuse me. Presbyopia is not astigmatism, an unequal curvature of the lens. Where is the auditory cortex? It is primarily located in the temporal lobe. Elevated ridges are called gyri. Sticking out your tongue uses the genioglossus. Okay, there are 14 facial bones, including and there are 14 cranial bones. Which nerve does not join the brainstem? That would be the optic nerve. The brainstem, the midbrain, has the pons and the medulla. Cerebral spinal fluid circulates everywhere, including the eye. This is false. It's the aqueous fluid. Maculae are sensory receptors for hearing. This is true. Tinnitus is the state of tetanus is the state of sustained muscle contraction, which is true. Myelinated sheath gaps occur at irregular intervals at axons. That's false. There are 2 classes of neurotransmitters. The catecholaminerase is dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. Indolamins, serotonin, and histamine. Strands consist of 330 bases. If all transcribed, how many acids will be in the amino peptide? The AG. There would be 108 amino acids. So the strands are 33, there would be 108. Because you take off the stop and the start. DNA gives rise to RNA by transcript and by stop codon and stop codon translation. DNA gives rise to RNA by transcript and stop codon by translation. See. True or false? Disorders of the basal nuclei include Huntington's disease, but not Parkinson's. This is false because both of them have basal nuclear disorders. The phrenic nerve, what is the benefit of exciting supposedly places in the SC? It originates from multiple versions superiorly, which reduces the chance of spinal injury, would stop the diaphragm from working. So, okay. If you damage the phrenic nerve. That controls the diaphragm, and that is what helps us breathe. So we would be in a lot of trouble. That's where you get the iron lung. With polio victims, this is what I was saying. With polio victims, the polio virus attaches to the phrenic nerve. Okay, glaucoma is the drainage of aqueous humor that is blocked. There's intraocular pressure, and it's increased. The cranial nerves are V1, ophthalmic, V2 is maxillary, and V3 is the mandibular. The mandibular is a mixed nerve. 5 days after a stroke, nurse determined that this patient had right side weakness. What anatomical part of the brain was injured? Since the stroke was on the left side of his body, the right side will be paralyzed. Damage to the localized areas of the primary cortex motor. Cortex paralyzes the muscles controlled by these. The primary cortex motor is located in the precentral gyrus, so the very top of the cerebral hemisphere. So remember, if it's broken, if it's messed up on the left, the right side was going, which was going to be on the top gyrus. rRNA can be found within, but internal, and mRNA comes with the nucleus, within the nucleus. Branches of the cranial nerves: the temporal, the zygomatic, mandibular, the buccal, and the cervical. The cervical does not go to the face, goes to the neck region. When plantar flexion is abnormal, positive Babinski signs, there is a fanning of the toes. The plantar flex is downward flexion curling, adduction of the toes. It is advantageous to have convolutions in the brain because there's more surface area, and this will allow for more neurons to occupy a limited space. The TMJ is most often dislocated. The largest cranial nerve is the trigeminal. The trochlear is the smallest cranial nerve. Aspirin, molecular weight of 150 per mole. How many is in 360 grams per bottle? Of course, it's 180 divided by 360, that's equals to 2. We're good. Conduction velocity, group A fibers, it would be 1.5 over 550. It is 0.1 seconds equals 10 seconds. And then group C is 1 meters per second. And then it's 5 divided by 1, which would be 5 seconds. Temperature is controlled by the hypothalamus. Ascending tracts depending on tracts, they go to the lateral cortical tract. Review the week, okay. EEG, all brain waves expected with alpha, zeta, beta, all of the waves. There are no zeta waves in the EEG. It is false that the axillary is not the only cranial nerve to form the spinal cord from the spinal cord. It is false that the only sensory nerve in the body. But all right. We're going to review the cranial nerves. Presbycubosis is high-pitched sounds that leave us first. It is called presbycubosis. This is true. The type of neurons that have multipolar dendrites, they have multiple polar is dendrites. Those are in the CNS. Multipolar neurons are most common in CNS. Ohm's law: if current goes up, the resistance goes down. This as current goes up, the resistance goes up. This is false. Amino acids are transmitters. This is so false. Neurotransmitters are dopamine, epinephrine, norepinephrine. Let's see, GABA. What else? I forgot. Oh, acetylcholine. Diplopia can be result from the intrinsic eye muscles. This is so not true. It is the extrinsic eye muscles. During polarization, sometimes the neuron becomes less positive with calcium. Action potential during polarization is become more positive. Hyperpolarization, it is when there is more negative and less positive. Mitosis is when you get identical daughter cells, which is like the skin. Meiosis is 4 non-identical daughter cells like for reproductive system. We did it, yo. I think we did it. Cervical branches of the cranial nerves, temporal, zygomatic, mandibular, buccal, cervical. What? Branches of the cranial nerves are temporal, zygomatic, mandibular, buccal, and cervical. They're for the cranial nerves. Oh, okay, the cranial bones are there two parietal, there's two temporal, ethmoid, occipital, sphenoid, frontal, two malleus, two incus, two stapes because right and left, and then 14 facial bones, which are the mandible, vomer, two zygomatic, two maxilla, two lacrimal, two nasal, two palatine, inferior nasal called chat. We'd be done, girls and boys.